All right, some low clouds settling into the valley, and this is what it looked like this morning at the Dakota Magic Casino. Our southern and southeast North Dakota counties definitely saw a little bit more in the way of wind and snow today, and added on to the 1 to 3 inches of snow that fell throughout the day yesterday, and that made things slippery in those areas. And it's been plenty icy here, but I got to tell you, a little bit of improvement, although temperatures are on their way down. Check this out right now. Out at Hector, it's 13 degrees. Wind from the north is blowing at 14 miles per hour. Feels like 2 below zero out there. By the way, it's 14 at Moorhead's Airport, 12 at Grand Forks this hour, with your wind from the north at 15 miles per hour. The coldest temperature in our area right now showing up in that Devil's Lake Basin here, where you see the deep purple shades. It's 9 degrees there, but a huge change in temperatures of about 20 degrees as we head into Brainerd. 25 Wadena, 23 Alexandria, Baudette and Babe the Blue Ox, both in the mid-20s this hour, and that's the same thing for Roseau. Grand Forks, you have 12, Fergus Falls at 16 at this hour. Visibility, well, it's not too bad across Minnesota, but we have areas of reduced visibility where you see the grayish hue to the map here. We're going to zoom in because we do have some pea soup up in Rolla. Visibility there recorded at 1/4 of a mile. So in spots, some patchy areas of fog in that cold pool of air settling in behind our weather making system. Satellite showing clouds. We're not seeing much on the radar in our area, although we are from time to time seeing flakes fly by our various Skycam network cameras. Duluth down toward the Twin Cities and western Wisconsin, seeing some light snow showers. That's right where a model paints them. Here's the picture for tonight. The north wind will continue. Where you see the blue arrows, which is most areas, we'll see winds up to around 15 to 20 miles per hour. A little bit stronger winds where you see the green arrows. That'll be closer to the center of low pressure and the storm system. Temperatures in the single digits will slowly work their way southward as we go through the evening hours, staying in the teens for many, but we'll wave goodbye to those mid-30s and mid-20s in parts of central Minnesota. Overnight, areas of low clouds, maybe some patchy fog. Don't expect things to be too widespread as far as fog goes, but there'll be that chance for spotty or patchy fog. Temperatures in the teens for most, and it will be cooler single digits for our Devil's Lake area viewers out there. Other than that, the wind quiets down, and that's how we start your hump day on Wednesday. Chilly. We'll stay on the cool side. Notice all the gray on the map? Yeah, it's going to stay more cloudy in the first half of the day. Breaks in the clouds will be possible, but not likely, as we'll stay in the teens, and most locations here in the Red River Valley will stay in the single digits out to the east, and we'll have a shot at some 20-degree readings in Lakes Country throughout the day. Your planning forecast for Fargo starting out near 10. Wind still out of the north, but not nearly as strong, and that'll feel a little better as temperatures try to claw their way back to 20 degrees in Fargo and in Wahpeton. 16 for your afternoon snapshot temperature in Grand Forks and Jamestown. 23 for the Becker County area there in Detroit Lakes, 22 in Fergus Falls, and a 23-degree day for Paul Bunyan. As we check out the big picture out in Colorado, a storm system on the heels of the one that just went through is going to bring winter storm conditions to most of Nebraska, missing us to the south. But if you're heading to the Twin Cities, be close to the Twin Cities as we go through the next 36 hours. Temperatures near 20 both Thursday and Friday. Not a bad way to close out the work week. Can't rule out a few flakes south with that system exiting Colorado Rockies. 20s for the weekend, making it look pretty good, but we do have a clipper sweeping through, and it's going to bring a slice of some snowflakes to the region as we go from Sunday and into your Monday next week. Nothing too big at this point. We'll keep our eyes on it.
Well, we'll be ready thanks to you.
All right.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Coming up, how one Minnesota man is getting around those high egg prices.